Guten Morgen, Innovation. This is Mr. Roussel. Today is Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. On this day in history, in 1783, representatives of the United States and Britain signed the Treaty of Paris, which officially ended the Revolutionary War. Also in 1995, the online auction site eBay was founded in San Jose, California by Pierre Omidyar under the name AuctionWeb. It's pretty interesting. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Our quote of the day comes from Benjamin Franklin. He says that justice will not be served until those who are unaffected are as outraged as those who are affected. Some more important news for the week. Remember that RenStar window closes tomorrow, Friday, September 4th. Again, 6th and 7th graders, make sure you take your math and reading RenStar test in Clever. 8th graders, you just need to take that reading RenStar. Let's get this final push. Diagnostic testing concludes soon. All students have until Friday, September 4th to complete that testing. So again, go ahead and close that gap. Also, progress reports will be sent home tomorrow, so this is your last chance. Make sure you're completing all of your assignments. Birthdays for the week. Today's birthday is Dewan Isaac. Happy birthday, Dewan. Let's see what's in the cafeteria today. Today we have a cereal and cracker pack. Lunch is a calzone with a zesty lemon broccoli. A reminder that our core value of the week is team and family. What this means is be the first to share and respond. Do not wait on others, but lead by example. Also, thank others if they share first. It's always a good idea to be a good sport. And as always, I'm glad when you guys are able to persevere and keep on rising to the occasion. Have a great day, scholars.